Hello, my name is Samantha DeVita, and today we're going to create a simple bird. To do so, I downloaded an app called Paint 2. I created the background red for my favorite color. To create this bird, it's going to take 6 steps. So let's begin. We're going to start with a head and an eye. Just like so. Step 2. We're going to do the same thing, except we're going to add one more thing. A beak. Now let's do step 3. We're just going to add a little more to the neck. So I'm going to give myself a little more space. Just like so. Add in the eye. Let's make it a little bigger this time. Let's add that peak. Step 4. This is where it's going to get tricky. This is where we get the wings. So let's start with the head. A little bit longer neck. Then we're going to add in a little line right about here. Then we're going to add in our eye, our beak, and the wings. Have a little fun, make them a little fluffy, whatever you'd like. And you're going to add in this wing, which is a little more tricky because you're going to make a full shape. Just like so. To speed it up a little, I'm going to skip a step and we're going to go right to 5. It shouldn't be too much harder. Basically, we're just adding on the tail. So I'm going to draw the head over here. The eye, the beak, and we're going to add in that little longer line. Then we're going to add in the wings. I'm going to say feathers, but the wings. We'll do this one first. It's going to get a little cut off because I ran out of space, but you see it up there. And then the other wing, right here, like before. It's a little more hard to see because I'm running out of space. And then a nice long tail, like so. And that is how you draw a simple bird.